Hi guys, how are you all? Sorry guys, I took 5, 6 minutes. Was wrapping somebody who was on the call. How are you all?
I'm good.
Samhit, nice to see your homework, Samhit. It was very good to see. It was very good to see. Ritu, how are you, ma? Lakshanya, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. You
I'm
know what?
good.
Yeah. Hey, the test goes on pending for you guys, right? I don't know why it goes on pending. Yeah, but I need to conduct the test, I know, but I'm not conducting it just because I don't want to give away my class time. Let's see. How was last week homework? Did you have any questions?
No.
You're doing multiplication, right? Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay. We went over fact family, right, last week? Okay. This week, you know what? I'm waiting, meaning I don't want to give you a number, number sense, but I've gotten prepared with something for you. Okay. I really want you guys to be able to do these. It's going to be a review, spiral review as well. I'll put out this as homework, but before I go ahead, right, I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. This is all in area perimeter. Let me see. Okay, let me see, guys. We have done this. It is just a spiral review. Spiral review means whatever we have discussed before, right? I will give you different types of problems on that. We will see whether we are able to do or not. Okay, so let's see this one. Please, you have to differentiate between area and perimeter very well. You have to differentiate between area and perimeter very well. Perimeter is the around, I go around and add. Area means I calculate the number of squares inside. Okay, now the area of the big square equal to 81 centimeters square. Okay, it is made of 9 smaller squares. Find the area of each small square. Find the area of each small square. Would you be able to do? Can you try that? Send the answer to me. I just want to see where we are before I assign this as homework. I'm going to assign this as homework, Amma. I don't want you to suffer after being assigned this homework. I want to see. That's the first question. Second question, let me give you. This is just based out of what we have already learned. Okay, there is nothing different here. Take your time, but I would like you to try. There are two questions given, guys. I'm wondering, area perimeter. Mhm. What topic is this? This topic 10. Let me see, guys. One before advanced. Fifth one before advanced. Okay. Nevan, that's not correct, ma.
Miss Priya,
Hmm.
do we have to find the perimeter of rectangle C?
I want you to find the area of square D, right, ma? That's what is the question here, right, ma, Ritu?
Okay.
Lakshanya, good job on question 2. Okay, very good job. Where is question 1? Lakshanya, I want to see. Question 1 as well is correct, Lakshanya. Good job. Neil, question 1 is correct. Ritu, question 1 is correct. Nevan, Samhit, you both did not get it. Neil, can you calculate number 2 again? Can you redo the question number 2, Neil? I'm going to give you 2 more problems before I assign this homework because the homework is going to be a little tricky because we have covered area perimeter. Let's see, guys. Samhit, that's incorrect. Nevan, that's correct for the first question. Ritu, did you answer the second question? Ritu?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Oh, you're going to, okay. Neil got it, Lakshanya got it, okay. Neil, what is the second answer?
It was 36. I just fixed my answer.
Why did you? Maybe I want you to explain. I feel. Can you explain? Would you mind explaining it to me?
My mom told me one of the sides of the perimeter was 6. No, my mom told me the square has 4 equal sides. So I tried to guess what is 6 by what equals 24. So I guess it was 6 4 by y equals 4 by y equals 24. So then it was 6. A square has 4 sides, so then 6 by 4 equals 24. When you add all of them, it becomes 24. But 6 by 6, 36.
Okay, so wait, perimeter of the rectangle C. What's the perimeter of rectangle C? What is the perimeter of rectangle C, Neil? No, shout out. I'm going to discuss.
20.
Oh, how did you do it? 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4, right?
No, 6 plus 4 and 6 plus 4.
Okay. Okay, so that's 20. Now is equal to that of square D. So perimeter of the square is 20. Perimeter of the square is 20 means what are the sides? What are the sides?
5.
5. What is the area of the square now? What is the area of the square now? So we need to slow down. You need to read. Perimeter.
20.
Huh?
20.
20? Is that the area?
25.
25. Perimeter is going around and measuring. Area is side by side. Nevan, did you understand this? Okay, I think we need to solve a few more. I am not happy. Neil, again, what did you do? You gave me the perimeter. Did you see? Guys,
Yeah.
guys, please read word by word. Perimeter. What is asked? Area. That is so important. And now let me read this to you. Area of the big square is 81. This entire square is 81. So this entire square area is 81. It's split into 9. So 81 is split into 9. So 9 times what is 81? So 9999999 has been added together to get the 81. Did you get it, Nevan?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me see this one. You are going to read word by word. Perimeter of the square equal to 40 centimeter. Find the area of the figure. Perimeter of the square. Okay, this is a square. This doesn't seem to be a square. See, I am marking that square, right? So perimeter of the square is 40 centimeter. That means what? You know what? How to do it. Okay. Now, what is the area of the figure? Area of the figure will be, you have to find the area of this one plus the area of this one. So, you know what you're going to do? You're going to slowly do one by one step. Meaning, you're going to tell me the side of the square. And then you're going to tell me the area of the square, area of the rectangle, total area. All this you're going to say. Try. Neil, you cannot hurry. Did you go step by step? I'll help you. Lakshanya, did you get it?
I'm so confused.
Give me 1 second, guys. I want to get a book for you. 1 minute. You guys get it? Ma, each of you should tell me where we are because I want you to understand these kind of problems, not the ones that you do in school now.
Miss Pia, I don't understand like what this means.
What is that you didn't understand? You have to explain. Read.
Um I can't like read the like sentences, so I don't understand.
Then I'm going to rewrite for you. I'm not going to read or explain to you. You're going to tell me. This is my duty. I'm not going to explain. You're going to understand and do. But you're going to explain it to me here. Is it better? This is the question. Okay, the rest of it is for you, for my meaning. I'm guiding you so you can do it. Go ahead. This is the question, that's all. Perimeter of the square is 40 centimeter. Find the area of this. Find the area of the, I made a mistake. Hold on. Okay, find the area of the figure. Can you do that for me? You don't need any of these. Let me erase everything. I gave you clues. Who's going to try?
Miss Priya, I sent it.
I saw. Neil, Lakshanya got it. Neil and Lakshanya got it. Were you careless in saying 161st, Neil? Did you leave that small piece?
I said 116 for area 2. I put area 1 and area 2 and then added 10.
Okay. Thank you. You understood, okay? The way you explained itself will tell me whether you understood or not. Good job.
Miss,
Navan, yeah.
did I get it correct?
No, Ritu. Tell me, how did you do?
So first, for the first one, it was 40. The square was 40. So I
Perimeter.
put 10.
Good. Wait. Let's put 10. Did you do it like this? I want it in paper. 10. Then what did you do?
And that was 40. And then that was 16. And then for a rectangle, it was 16 on the top. So
What is
that
this?
means there's 16 on the bottom.
No, that is not 16. If this is 10, what is this, Ritu? Same thing, right? Standing lines. 10. You get it?
Yes.
So did you get that?
Yes.
So what should be the area of the figure? See, now the area of the figure is what? The area of the figure is a big rectangle. So what is this totally? 16 plus 10, 26 times 10. That's all. You got it? Okay, now Nevan, did you understand? Samhit, did you understand?
Yes. Still no.
What is that still no? You go ahead and explain to me where you are. Tell me now.
I don't understand like what you're doing. Like the only thing I understand is just 10 and 16 is 26, and then that other 10 is there. And then I don't understand why you're not using the bottom part.
Read the problem. Read the problem aloud. I'm hearing you. Go ahead and read the problem aloud. Read it.
My perimeter of square is 40.
What does it mean? What does it mean? Perimeter of the square 40 means what?
That means the round part, like the outside is perimeter.
So what? So what? If the perimeter of the square is 40 means what?
That means all of the outside should equal 40 centimeters.
Equals what?
40 centimeters.
Yeah, so what? From there, what can you detect? What can you say? What can you deduct? What can you tell yourself? The perimeter of the square is 40, then what can you tell about the side of the square or whatever? This is the figure, right? This is a square, all sides are equal. Now they are saying the perimeter of the square is 40. What does it mean? What does it mean?
That means each side of the square is 10.
Now they're asking for the area of the figure. What is the area of the figure? How to calculate the area of the figure? Area of The figure is what? The entire shape is what? Square or a rectangle?
Rectangle.
How do you find the area of the rectangle? That's what is asked. Area of the figure. What is the area? How do you find the area?
By multiplying.
Which ones will you multiply?
16 and 10.
No. Is this 16? How much is this?
26.
Ah. So it's 260. Did you get it?
Yeah.
260 squares. Whenever you say area, I want squares in it. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see this one. This is 11 centimeter. You're going to do similar problems at home. So if you don't listen in the class, you're not going to do the homework correctly. Now, what is the perimeter of the figure? Like this, we have already done. It is just a spiral review. I'm finding a lot of gaps. We are only fixing that. Right. No help, Pama. You are going to do it all by yourself. If you don't know, you're going to ask here.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Mm. Samhit, correct. Ritu, I want you to try. Neil, correct. Nevan, you missed something. Lakshanya, Lakshanya, I want you to explain this now because you got it incorrect this time. Go ahead. You were getting it all right. So I want you to explain this one. Nevan, I want you to recheck by yourself because there is something slightly you're missing. Maybe it's a minor mistake, I feel. Ritu, you're going to explain to me next. Go ahead, Ma Lakshanya.
Yeah, so I know this is 11, and if there's 5 on the edge, then the missing value has, I missed the number. I should,
Lakshanya, 1 minute, ma. I'm not able to follow. You can draw on the board. There is absolutely no problem. You can draw on the board and show me.
I don't know how to.
Okay, I can help you. Is there a button annotate? Everybody should know hereafter, okay? I want you guys to be able to draw on the board. Because slowly you've gotten used to the class. Now you can as well draw and explain to me things and you can do on the board. Samhit, can you explain to us how are you doing? Maybe I'm not able to tell her clearly. Is there an annotate button?
No, I can't find it.
Uh, are you working from Google Chrome? Are you working from Chromebook?
No.
Then you should be able to find view options, annotate, a pencil icon somewhere. Is your mom there?
It's like right above like audio. Like where it says audio. I know where it is.
Ritu, explain in your own words. What is it?
So down where
Wait,
it says
wait.
audio and video, above audio there's like a pencil, and before you press on it, it says annotate, and when you press on it, it has like a text and like delete button, undo, eraser.
Ah, thank you. Neil, explain it in your own words. How do you see it in your computer? Quick, Amma.
I always know annotating but when I click it, when I don't really click it, but the clicker is like for a long, like not clicking it like a light click, it just shows it saying annotate.
Okay. Lakshanya, you're not able to see it?
No.
Is your mom or dad
When I
there?
press it, I immediately see someone draw it, some stuff to write.
I see.
You can see it here. Oh, I just came 1 second.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. You see annotate there?
Yes, Lakshanya, you're able to do it now.
You can explain the teaching.
I
Quick.
just realized I missed a number on the top.
Oh, you missed it?
Yes.
Be
Please
loud.
see, when you do it really, you will understand. Okay, go ahead. So guys, when you're given a problem, right, I want to know how you're doing it, because see, everything is going to be digital, meaning whatever test you take later is going to be digital only, I'm seeing right now. So see, don't guess, don't mentally do these problems. Okay, I want you to be able to reproduce it in your paper as well. Write it down in a paper or do it on the board, I'm fine. Each one can do it on the board, I'm fine. So what is the answer, Lakshanya? Ritu, next you're going to explain to me. It's incorrect. Lakshanya, what was the answer? Can you check and tell me? Lakshanya, you took a note of it. Did you take a note of this?
Can you tell your teacher what?
Why? Okay, good. You got it, lady. I don't want you to explain. That's fine. Ritu, go ahead. Mama, please. I'm going to take that off. You understood. You understood clearly. Ritu, where are we?
So, the bottom was 8.
Ah,
So, I put the 5 up there, and then I put the 3, which had no number on it.
correct. So, Ritu, here, this and this will add up to, see the sleeping lines. This is also a sleeping line, which is exactly the same. So, there are 2 8s. And then what, Ritu?
And then
Standing line.
I added that.
So, I'll add 11.
And then I added the 5 to the side.
And then what? This one
And that one.
that will account for 11. How much is the perimeter? Nevan, did you get it? Nevan?
Yep.
Yeah, but I'm not getting right answers from you. Lakshanya, good job. Okay, let's move on. See, okay, one thing is, if I open up the board for all of you, I should not see scribbling. This is a serious class, okay? I really get only 1 hour and I want to utilize that 1 hour. No scribbling on the board. That is a rule. Okay, if I see scribbling, I will disable that person from writing on the board. Make sense? Okay. Okay. I don't want to be mean, you see. I want to be nice to you. Okay, how about this? Okay, you're going to try this one. Okay, let me see. How am I to say this? I want you to see the figure. Okay, see the figure. There are markings that can explain what each figure is. The markings will tell you what each figure is. I'm not going to explain. You're just going to see the figure and do this time. Okay. The markings tell you that the figure is something, right? Now, this is 5 centimeter. Okay. This is 18. Okay. Now, let me ask you this question. Width of the rectangle is as long as the side of the square. Am I writing it properly, Samhit? Are you able to understand? I don't want to write a writing that you don't understand. Do you understand this?
Can I
Samhit,
just try answering it, and then like I can kind of read it.
Huh?
Yeah, I can read it.
Good. Go ahead. Please, I want each of you to read word by word. Width of the rectangle. Where is the rectangle? I don't know which. Okay, let me maybe I will also put it as rectangle B. I will name them. Width of the rectangle B is as long. See, it is also a lot of English comprehension. Math alone doesn't help many a time. Width of the rectangle is as long as the side of the square. What does it mean? If you decipher that, then you can find all the sides. Then you can find the perimeter of the square. And one more question I'll add to this problem. There are two questions here, okay? What is the perimeter of the figure? Guys, the review is going to be a little difficult because we already understood the concept of
Did I
area.
get correct?
Oh, you sent to me. I'm sorry, Samit. I did not have the chat window on. I'm sorry. I closed it, I think. I'm sorry. I'm here. Wait. I'm checking. Hold on. There are two questions I asked you. Please send together, okay? Otherwise, I will not know who is sending what. Neil, the first answer is correct. Lakshanya, first answer is correct. Samhit, first answer is incorrect. Um, கொஞ்சம் 18. Neil, can you explain? Meaning, I just want you to explain the second answer. Lakshanya, each of you, I want you to explain. Go ahead.
46.
Why do you say so? Can you explain that to me? I know. I'm
So first,
Mhm.
I knew this was the square and was 5, so it's supposed to be
Good
equal.
job. Good job.
Then
Wait,
that
wait, wait,
was
wait,
five.
wait. I need to draw that. Each time you're also going to do this in the paper that you draw, meaning you're also going to do this in paper. Go ahead. I drew it. So where did you get it from? Width of the rectangle. This is the width of the rectangle. Is as long as the side of the square. So I copy this 5 here. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So then it was a square, it has 4 sides, then it's supposed to be 20.
Good. So the perimeter going around the square, I found that the square is 20 units long. Good job. What is the perimeter of the figure? Figure means the total figure. What do I do? Who can explain? Ritu, you want to explain this?
Okay, wait, which one again?
This one, ma. Perimeter of the figure.
Perimeter of the figure?
Mhm.
So first,
Hmm.
I knew the, Miss Priya.
Hmm.
Wait, is it A or B?
I want the perimeter of the figure means entire figure. I have to go around the entire figure, right? Go ahead. You have some answer. Explain that.
So first, on the top is 5 and 5,
Uh,
10.
uh,
And then next is 18.
uh,
And then next is 5.
uh-huh.
And then next is 13.
Good.
And then that side over there is 5.
Uh-huh.
And then that side is also 5.
That's all right.
Yeah.
We don't go inside and add. Lakshanya, how did you get 66?
I got confused.
Okay. So when I add, right? What happens when I add? How do you add this? This is so hard to add. Add the 5s, 15, add the 10,
No,
25, and then
fixed
see our addition should be very picture perfect.
I
Here.
fixed it.
So this should be 20 and then this should be 31. Right? Am I making mistakes? Let me check, guys. So it should have been 18 plus 18 plus 10 plus 10. So basically, something feels wrong to me. Hold on. 13 plus 5. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. So 25, 10, 25, and then 18 and 13. Now, why 18 and 13 is combining? Let me check, guys. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. I'm getting 56 units, 56 centimeters. Okay, let me give you one more problem like this. I feel like I'm not convinced with the way you guys are doing. Let me see one more. Let's see this one. You're going to do it correctly, guys. Please, okay? You can do it on the board if you want to. Yeah, go ahead with this. Please don't miss any side, okay? You're going to. Can you please tell me the area, the perimeter of this figure? Hmm. Do you think I should help you? Or do you want to do it? I want you to
Did I
come
get
up.
it correct?
Oh, wow. You guys are super fast. Wait. 17. Oh, I need to sit and count, guys. I don't have an answer for this. Wait. Let me see. Let me see.
Did I get it correct?
Neil got it right. Samhit, no Samhit. Samhit, can you explain which, can you show me which are the sides you included? Let's see whether you included everything.
I included 35.
Wait. Please don't shout out 35. Show me there. Show me on the board. Which side you included. I want to see. See, there's no hurrying with these. Uh-huh. Let's circle. Don't use wait. I'm going to put it in a different color. Okay. Let's really analyze. So you included this side, good. And then you include
I included this side. I included like this,
which side? This means which side?
like Here.
Here, okay. Then
Here. Like
this one. Then Nevan, I'm not
like
seeing your answer correct.
this part
Mm.
and like this part and this part.
Okay, what is that part? What is that part? What is that part?
I sent this like part here, like
Uh,
here, and then that's the same
good.
as
So how much?
49.
49, okay. And that's all?
And then I added 15 and 15
That's fine. That's all?
and 35. Oh no, oh yeah, and this.
You missed this one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So it is so important to analyze, slow down, figure out, say the answer in my class. Got it?
Yeah.
Nevan, what did we miss? Nevan, what did we miss?
I'm still doing it.
Okay. Ritu, what happened to our answer? Mom, math, you will have to take it very nicely, very slowly. You have to analyze, send in the answers.
Can I tell you on the board?
Yes, please. I'm waiting. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ritu, can you be a little quicker, ma?
Okay, I will.
I know you. I said I'll do it.
So first,
Mm.
I did
Correct, some. Good
first,
job. Mm.
I included this line,
Mm. Good, good, good. Go ahead.
and then I included this line
Good. Mm.
and that line,
Mm-hmm.
and that line.
Uh-huh.
And then I included this line,
Uh-huh.
and I think it was 35.
Uh-huh. Good explanations, Ritu. I really like it. Go ahead.
So I know that so I know that's 15 and 15.
Mm.
So that equals 30.
That's all. Ritu, that's all, huh? What happened to these,
Oh yeah,
Ritu?
this one and this one and this one.
How much is that?
All of it in total is 19.
What? All the three in total is what?
19.
No. See, push it up. When you push it up, it will become this, right? How much is that?
49.
See? Okay. How about you, Nevan? You're still doing, and I didn't. Lakshanya, how did you get 206, ma? Lakshanya, where's the mistake? Lakshanya, where's the mistake, ma? Huh? 35, you should have added with the 35, you should have added with the 49 and a 49 and a 15 and a 15. That's all. 35, 35. 49, sleeping line is the same as these three summing together. And then this small bar, 15, 15. Did you get that? Where was the extra?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Am I correct?
Yes. Ritu, 168 or 196, ma. This is a 70. See how you add. This is a 70. This is a 30. That makes up 100, right? And then 49 plus 49 is what?
Uh,
Oh, what? You 198, guys. 198. 49 plus 49 is 98. So add everything together, it's 198. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Nevan, did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, how about this? I have a box like this. I have a box like this. Okay. I want you to find the perimeter of the front face. I want you to find the perimeter of the front face. I want you to find the perimeter of the front side. Whatever I'm seeing, right? I want you to find the perimeter of that side. What is the perimeter of my front side? Can one of you tell me? Meaning all of you in chat tell me, this is the front side. What is the perimeter of this? This week, the homework is not going to be in the book. Ritu is already mad at me that we are not reading in the class, right, Ritu?
No.
Yeah, I do remember you, see, meaning I'm not a mean person to forget, okay? I will. Okay, we'll get there. I thought this will go fast. I sincerely thought we can read, but let's see. It didn't. It's okay. Perimeter of the front face, I asked. Good job, Nevan Neil. Very nice. Oh, Ritu. Check Ritu, check Ritu, check Ritu. Front face only, you have to find the perimeter. Samhit correct, Lakshanya correct. Shari, can I go ahead? What is the area of the second figure? What is the, let me see. Wait, each is 1 centimeter, meaning every side is 1 centimeter, 1, 1, 1. What is the area? Ma, if you can send it to me quickly, I would be happy. Ma, I want to really go read if possible for 10 minutes at least. Yeah, good job, Ritu.
Yeah.
Yes, ma?
At first, do you know how I thought?
Uh,
Since you wrote that 3,
uh.
I thought I should include that.
I know. See,
Uh,
that's why I gave you that. I wanted to see how many of you don't do that mistake. You got it? Yeah, sometimes they give you extra information which is totally not necessary. Okay, and how about this? How about this? Okay, I got answers, guys. Neil, you got both right. Neil, I want you to work on this, Neil. What is the perimeter of the right side? When I look at the figure from the right side, what do you see? I don't want to show you what do you see. I look at the figure from this side. I'm standing this side and I'm looking at the figure. I want to see what is the perimeter of the front face from that side. Perimeter of the front face from that side. Perimeter of the front face from this side we did now. But I'm standing this side. The arrow is me. Perimeter of the face.
13, not the inner part. We already counted this part.
It's a little tricky, but I can color, but I don't want to color it in. That gives you everything. Oh, Neil, you left one piece. You left one
Cause
piece.
at the one, that piece was shaded.
No. See, Neil, when you look at the figure from this side, right? Wherever it is, right? Perimeter of a square or a rectangle means you should have 4 sides added. Did you add 4 sides? You added only 3 sides. Ritu, I'm not asking for the area. I'm asking for the perimeter and you're giving me areas.
Is mine correct? Yeah, no.
Lakshanya, yours is correct, ma.
Miss Priya, that 64 was problem 2.
That 64 was problem 2. Okay, problem 2, each area is what, Maruto? 1 times 1 is 1, right? Each area is 1, right? So what is the total area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
14?
14 squares. For this one, this front side means this is the perimeter, right? What are the sides? 19, 19, 5, 5. Right?
Yes.
48 centimeters. There is no squares for perimeter. That is the biggest difference. There's no squares when you write perimeter. Now, perimeter from this side. Neil, I want you to listen to this one. This. This is 3 means this is as well 3. So 2 3s added together. I did this. Then what is this side? I don't know. Let me pick it up from here. This is 5 means this is as well 5, 5. I add the 5, 5. So it's 16 centimeters. Does it make sense?
Yes.
What, Neil? Where did you miss?
I
You missed.
accidentally went beyond the answer.
Okay. Neil, okay. It was 16, right? Not 18, right?
Yeah.
Where did you add the extra or what did you do?
I thought you were supposed to add 5 plus 5. 5 plus 3, but I didn't notice something.
Uh-huh. I see. Okay, 13. Okay, 13, 16 lakhs. Okay. Nevan, you didn't answer, right, ma? Nevan?
I answered.
You answered. What was your answer?
What?
You didn't answer for the third one. See, you answered only the first one. I asked you second question, what was the area? I asked you third question, what was the perimeter on the side? Both you didn't answer. Okay. Now, guys, give me 1 minute. I really want to read at least for 10 minutes today. Wait. And do you know this one? I really wanted you guys to see. Do you know about this one? Do you know about this one? Do you know this one or you don't know? Nobody has seen this?
No. Nope.
Okay. Okay. I want you to play this game every day. Okay, this is part of Beast Academy. Okay, this is so good. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll talk to your parents on that. Okay, nobody knows it. Okay, I'll talk to your parents on that. Okay, let's not do that. Give me 1 minute because we play it every day. It's funny. It's interesting too. Give me a minute. I want to start with perfect squares, so I just want to see it. Next week we will review. Next week we are going to review what are the topics. I thought you know. Angles. Angles. I don't know where we are. We might have forgotten, I feel. We will review. 100% we'll review that, okay? Okay, guys. I'm on it. Let's see. Who is what? You're going to take turns. You're going to read, okay? I'm going to take five minutes of your time, okay? Just for today. because we didn't read. I feel so bad. Let's see who's going to take it up. But I want you to be quick.
Can I be the blue guy?
Yeah, I will give you the blue.
Orange person.
Which one, Malakshanya?
The green one.
The green one. Who is that?
Yeah.
Lizzie. Right?
Yes. Miss
Yeah,
Priya,
yeah,
can I
ma.
be the orange person?
Sure. What is it? Orange person? I don't see any orange person here.
There is. The one who said, does everyone have enough graph paper? I think I'll be the green one. I think I'll be the purple one.
Okay, but let's call their names Alex, right? The blue one is the Alex.
Alex.
Vinny is the
The purple one is Grog.
purple one is
The orange Grog.
dog, correct. So what do you want, Neil?
I want to be Mrs. Q.
Okay, you are Mrs. Q, that's fine. But somebody wanted, wait.
I'm being Grog.
Okay, you can be Grog. Lakshmi, go ahead.
I want to be Lizzie.
Lizzie, okay. See, just take turns. Samhit, do you want somebody?
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Okay, for now, we'll go ahead with these. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. I want to read the perfect squares thing. Go ahead.
Everyone have enough graph paper?
But Nevan wanted to be that Mr. Q, I thought. Miss Q, I thought. Ritu, I don't know. Okay,
No,
you guys.
I want to be Alex.
Oh, Alex. Okay. Sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead. Who is this green guy? Green guy is Lizzie.
Got it.
Alex, Nevan.
Yep. I
Go
need
ahead.
another. I need another sheet, Miss Q. This little rectangle has a perimeter of 6. Who can trace a shape that has a perimeter of 16? Made one.
Go ahead. Nevan. Done.
Great.
Go ahead.
Great. Now find the area of your shape. Whose shape has the largest area?
Alex, go ahead.
Mine has 15 squares. Can anyone find a shape with the perimeter of 16 that has an area larger than 15?
Okay, now find the area of all the 4 shapes, all of you. You're going to come up with the answer first before I move on. It's okay if we take time. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Take your time. The figure is on the board.
12, 15, 8, 8.
Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Can you send it to me? A perimeter of 16 and area larger than 15. Go ahead.
Where's Priya?
Can we go ahead? Go ahead.
I already found the perimeter of all the squares.
That's nice. Okay, let's see. Who was it? Just 1 second, guys.
Winnie.
Yeah, go ahead, guys. So let's go ahead and read now. Lizzie, go ahead.
Winnie.
Lizzie, go ahead.
But the pink one is Winnie.
Oh, I'm sorry. Vinny, go ahead. I'm sorry. Vinny, go ahead. Vinny, go ahead. Who was Vinny? Lakshana was Vinny, right?
No, I was Lizzie. No one chose Winnie.
Vinny. Samit, you can go ahead. Go ahead.
I can make an area bigger without changing its perimeter. When I add another square to the bottom of my W, the my shape has one more square, but perimeter is still 16.
Good job. Did you see that, guys? The perimeter did not change in this. See, instead of this one, they added a square here. See, it did not change the perimeter because that became this. So the area but became one square larger. Go ahead.
Then you can add two more squares without changing the perimeter.
Oh my goodness. Now they are wanting to add two more squares without changing the perimeter. Go ahead. See how they are doing it?
Who's Alex?
Nevan, go ahead, Nevan. Go ahead, Nevan. Nevan, you have to unmute and talk, Ma.
And 6 more here. We filled in all the corners.
See what happened now? What happened now? It became a, what shape did it become?
Square.
Square. Good. So see here. Go ahead.
We
Read
turned a W into a square.
the.
Make it even bigger.
Nevan, you have to be attentive. Go ahead. There are no more corners to fill in.
No more corners to fill in.
Go ahead.
Rectangle doesn't have any corners to fill in either, but it's not as big as Winnie's square.
Good job. Some here.
I know. If we cut off the top of Alex's rectangle and put it here, the perimeter doesn't change.
But now we have a corner to fill in.
Do you see it? What is going on? Is Winnie right?
Yeah.
Good. Let's go ahead.
We get the same. We get the same 4x4 square. I think the square is the biggest shape you can trace that has the perimeter of 16.
See, square is the biggest shape you can trace. That's the perimeter. The perimeter is the same, right? Whenever you get a square, that is the biggest area. So go. Sorry.
For a given perimeter, the largest rectilinear shape you can make is a square.
I
What
knew.
What is rectilinear? Rectilinear means made out of lines that are
Right angles joined.
yeah, right angle joints that are straight lines. Good. So for a given perimeter, the largest area can only be that of a square. Okay, go ahead. We'll finish with this. Go ahead.
That's right. The square with perimeter 16 has area 16 squares. What is the largest area we can trace with perimeter 20? 20? You can't just guess, Grog.
Keep going. Nevan, I want you to listen. No, Nevan, this is not okay for me.
All four sides of a square are the same length. What number could we add 4 times to get 20?
Plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. If the side length of the big square is 5, the perimeter is 20. And the area is 5 times 5 equals 25 squares.
Good. Try one more. What is the largest area you can trace with the perimeter 80?
Can you try? With this, we'll stop. One of you try and let me know. Meaning, all of you try and I want to see. What is the largest area you can trace with a perimeter of 80? So we know when is the largest area. When will you get the largest area? Only when you have a
40 by 2.
Neil.
40 and 2.
We'll get the largest. When will we get the largest area, Neil? Only when it is a square, right? So what should we do?
79 plus 1. No.
I know.
39 plus 1. 39 plus 1.
100.
39 plus 1, then 39 plus 1.
That's not. See, you have to try making squares, right? You're making rectangles. When will you get a perimeter of, let's try. When will you get a perimeter of 80? With that, we'll conclude. Let's see. When will we get a perimeter of 80? Let's try. Maybe, see, 40, 40 I can't have. I should have 4 sides, right? Perimeter of 80 should be more of a square. So
20.
20? Good, let's try. 20, 20 is 40. Then what?
20, 20 is 40.
Ah. Okay, let's try a smaller one. Let's say 10. What happens if I take 10, 10? The other side should be 30, 30, right? Now, what is the area of this one? This one area is 300. This one is 400. You see, only when it is more of a square shape, the area is the largest. Are you guys getting it?
Yes.
So, whenever you want the largest area, you have to make squares. Did you get it? Ritu, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll stop here, guys. Okay, the homework will be on area perimeter for this week. Any questions?
No.
Okay, guys. See you all next week. Bye-bye.
Bye. Miss Priya,
Come on.
next week I won't be here.
Oh, you're going traveling?
Yeah.
Then you should have fun. Safe
Miss
travels.
Priya,
I'll talk to you, mom. Go ahead.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Thank you for telling me.
yeah, we're going to Mexico for stamping.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Good luck. And safe
Thank you.
travels.
But I'll see if she can join from wherever we are staying.
I'll keep in touch with you. Thank you so much.
Okay,
So nice
thank
of
you.
you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye, Emma. Bye.
Miss
Bye.
Priya?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, Neil's mom here.
Yeah. I understand. Meaning, yeah. I'm
Bye.
used to voice.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, please. Bye, ma. Tell me.
Did you know that I went to Mexico before?
Wow. Did you go travel
No,
free?
that's a news to me.
Oh, you used to be in
Wait.
Mexico?
Sorry. She's
You
asking
used
something.
to be in Mexico?
No.